Here we are on part 5, adding some multimedia to our final PowerPoint for 6th grade. We are first going to add in an action button on our final slide, our words of wisdom or your 3 tips. An action button is just sort of a graphic that then does some sort of a link or a hyperlink or a jump to a different slide. So to do that, first you want to go ahead and get to this slide. We're going to pick this text box up and move it over, shrink the size of it so we have some room over here. We're then going to go to Insert and use Shapes here. Now at the very bottom of the shapes are your action buttons, and you're looking for the one that looks like a little eye inside of a circle. We're going to click and drag, and as soon as you let go, a action settings options pops up here. We're going to choose hyperlink to, and we're going to choose a URL, which is a web address. Go down, I select URL, and here's where we're going to type in Hill's web address, which if you don't know, after the http:// is hill.ipsd.org. You could also go to Hill's website and copy and paste it right off of there. But I'm going to go ahead and click OK on this and click OK. If I don't like the way this looks, I can change the color of it using my shape fill here under my drawing tools format if it doesn't blend into the current colors that I have. So I'm going to do a red here so it just kind of fits in with my color scheme. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and insert a text box, because now this is a link that if people click on it, it'll take you to Hill's website, but they don't know that. So if we go to Insert, we're going to choose text box here, and we're going to click and drag below this action button and just simply type click here to go to Hill's website. We're going to make that apostrophe S. And then we're going to also make this actually a hyperlink itself. I'm going to center it inside that box. I'm going to highlight all of this text and go to Insert. And this time I'm going to click on Hyperlink. And because I've selected that text by highlighting it, that text is what's going to turn into a hyperlink. So down here again, under address, I'm going to type in http://. You can see I've typed it in before, so it pops up for me, hill.ipsd.org. You can see it turns blue, indicating that it's a hyperlink. Now, the only way to actually test that is to view it in the slideshow. I'm going to click on this button here, which is slideshow. It'll show this one particular slide. And if I were to click on this, I can tell that it does indeed go to Hill's website. All right. I'm going to go ahead and escape out of that, though. Next, I'm going to go to insert a video. And I'm going to do that on my welcome slide here. So I've got my welcome message here. Oh, I misspelled Naperville here. And I'm going to insert a video that is already saved on your computers. So I'm going to pick this up, and I'm going to go to Insert. Over here under the Media area, I'm going to click on Video. Now, don't accidentally click on the video all the way here on the right. This is a very different type of video. It doesn't work on these particular computers. I'm going to use the Media video, and I'm going to choose Video on my PC. Now you have a video on there. It's called the welcome video, and you get to it by going to Courses, Kelsey, 6th grade PowerPoint, and you'll see Principal Welcome, and it'll be a video of the principal welcoming us. I don't have that on this particular computer, so I'm going to put in my just a random video here, and you'll see it does take a little bit of time for this video to insert, so I'm going to resize it, put it into the correct spot. And I want to adjust some of my playback settings. So I'm going to click up here under Video Tools Playback, and those only appear if I have the video selected. And I'm going to make it so that this video starts automatically. So I'm going to click automatically here. And that way, as soon as this video, or as soon as this slide shows, this video will start playing. All right. Then I'm going to go ahead and go to insert my school song. And to do that, we don't actually have a slide here. So I'm going to insert a slide at the very end. So I'm going to slide to my very last slide here. I'm going to go ahead and go to Insert. And I'm just going to do a blank slide. Has no template, no layout, nothing like that. I'm going to insert the school logo. Again, that's under Courses, Kelsey, 6th grade PowerPoint. I'm going to click on Pictures here because it's on my computer. It's not online. And here on my computer here at home, I'm going to go ahead and find the Hill logo and put that in. Once again, yours is under Courses, Kelsey, 6th grade PowerPoint. And there's different versions of this logo. And I'm going to make it so that the school song plays as soon as this screen pops up, sort of as a concluding slide. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and go to Insert. Over here under Media, once again, I'm going to this time click on Audio, and I'm going to click on Audio on my PC. You will have audio under, once again, sliding down over here on the left side, go to the Courses drive, and then go to Courses, Kelsey, 6th grade PowerPoint, and you'll see it in there, School Song. It may be the only file that pops up under that directory, and you'll be able to insert that. Now, I don't have any music here on this particular computer, so I'm going to pretend to insert it here. And if I were to insert it, I would have an option up here, just like I did for the movie, that would say something like Audio Tools Playback instead of Video Tools Playback. And I want to, again, make that start automatically. Once again, that's here on this screen with the video or the audio that you just put in, the music that you just played. So if you want to test that out, what should happen again when you press slideshow here, it should then start playing that song. And if you are done here, make sure you save, press play on your video by going to slideshow from beginning. And you should see your entire PowerPoint just kind of work its way through, and everything should go completely without you touching the computer if you did your automatic transitions and your looping correctly back in the previous steps. All right, now you are done with your PowerPoint.